Darling Library tutorial. Using PubMed, Finding Good Articles, Part 3 of 3. A single search term produces too many results. 937,000 articles, way too many. Adding a second term can narrow the focus and shrink the results. How you connect those two keywords will greatly affect the results. Boolean operators and, not, or are used in databases to affect the results. Boolean operators should be in all caps. They may also appear as drop-down menus on an advanced search page. And narrows the results. Or expands the results. Or is useful for synonyms and multiple spellings of a word. Not eliminates results, but may eliminate important articles. Boolean or is all of the content of the two circles, or expands your results. Boolean or for inflammation or pain, 1.9 million articles. Boolean and is only the overlap of the two circles, and narrows the results. Boolean and for inflammation and pain, a mere 48,000. A look at the results list. A look at the results list if I had installed libkeynomad. Notice the green flame at the bottom? This identifies that libkeynomad was installed. There are other options to access available, including the option to view the entire issue of a journal. Those options are only available if you have installed libkeynomad. That was discussed in tutorial 1. Use the limiters or filters to narrow the results. They are often found on the left-hand side of the screen. Limit the date range to an acceptable range based on your field of study. There are several types of filters in PubMed. There is even a filter to eliminate preprints. This eliminates articles that haven't been published yet. That may mean that they haven't passed peer review yet. Click Item's title to get to the item page. This is an item page. This is an item page with Nomad installed. On the item page, you can find a number of options. You can access the article. Like most electronic databases, there is a citation feature. You choose the citation format you need, the citation for the reference page, not for in-text citation. If you need access and there are no other links, click Get Full Text. You will be taken to our catalog. It may be in another database, or just click the Request Item through ILL. More of our tutorials can be found on our YouTube channel. Just search for HIU Library.